Hi, I'm Nicholas Wallwork. Welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe if you're interested in good educational content around property investment. We're here at our HMO that we've just finished. It's taken us about 2.5 months to do, probably a little longer than expected, but we are doing 3 at the same time. This one's actually a 5-bed, so it's one of the smallest I've ever done, but it made financial sense. It was the right price point, easy, quick conversion, and we've made it look fantastic. I hope you agree. Come and have a look around the finished article and let me know what you think. Now let me show you the communal area. As well as the kitchen and dining area, we've got a lovely garden for you to enjoy as well. So there we have it. There's our 5-bed HMO in Hampshire. I hope you enjoyed that tour, that whirlwind tour. We're going to be using a lot of that edit on our lettings videos to get maximum rent for this property. Hopefully people will see that as virtual tours. It's obviously the way forward. What COVID has taught us is to get stuff online, get virtual tours. You'll cut down the missed viewings. You'll cut down the mess about viewings that don't like it in the first place. Show them that virtual tour. They'll either take it on the spot virtually, or you're going to be getting good quality tenants around to view it. So great lettings tip there as well. Get those virtual tours in, guys, and be better than the competition. If you like this content, you want to follow more, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the bell icon to get notified of new videos, and you can follow the other HMO conversions over the coming months, and we've got some great other conversions on the site. Everything property development. Hope to see you soon.